guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today ay gagawa po tayo ng bolster pillowcases. So, ang gagawin natin, magsusukat po tayo ng 24 inches para sa lapad. Ayan. Ito siya. So, 24 inches po. Ayan. And then, dito naman sa haba ay 47. So, 24 by 47 inches po yung ating bolster pillowcase. So, yung gagawin natin, maglalagay tayo dito ng bolster. And then, ikakat natin yan, yung excess, ha? So, magkakat po tayo ng excess dito. Kailangan sakto lang yun, nakat natin. Okay. And then, ito, from here, ito po ay magiging 47 inches. So, ikakat naman natin yan from to here. So, from here to here will be 47 inches. So, sa isang cut, dalawa po yung magagawa. So, we have two. Okay. So, and then, ang gagawin natin next ay itutupi natin ito. We're gonna fold that two. We're gonna fold this one. And then, yeah. You can sew here. From here, right there, and then we're gonna do the edging. Okay, so now we're gonna sew here. We're gonna sew this one, and then we're gonna sew from edge like this. Okay, and then from here we're gonna sew the edge so we can remove the excess. We can remove the excess from in Tagalog is himulmol, mga himulmol. So gagamit po tayo ng edging machine. So we're gonna edge this one and then we're gonna hem here and cut the excess. Okay, so after you sew for the edges, clean this up, and then you're gonna fold here again. Balik ta rin. Okay, and then tatahiin natin dito. Gonna fold twice. So like this. We're gonna sew here. Fold twice, 1 and 2. Ayan. And then, ayan. Okay. And then make this one again for the side. The other one side. The other side. The other side. Sew it again here. The other side. Like that. And then this one. Okay, finish. This will be the finished product. And then for the garter, bring this up. Okay, so we're gonna cut the garter 11 inches both sides. We're gonna use the 1/4 white garter, and you can cut 11 inches side by side. So we're gonna use the two garter size 11 inches, and then you're gonna mark in the middle. You're gonna mark in the middle. Yan. And then this one you're gonna put here number 3. We're gonna mark number 3 here, so we can 3 inches from here to here. So we're gonna mark 3 inches, and the other side 3 inches again. So gonna mark here, and then the other side 3 inches. This will be an easy bolster pillowcases. So super easy, super dali. Super easy, super dali gumawa ng bolster pillowcase. And then put it here, the garter. We're gonna put this one in the garter. We're gonna put here. Okay, so it and then the mark here, you're gonna connect here the mark also, the mark that we're gonna put here, and then stretch it again. Okay, and then this one we're gonna put this connected. We're gonna connect this one. Okay. ito na. Tapos na po ang ating bolster pillowcases. So, dito pa sa isang side. The other one side. Gonna connect here. Gonna put the mark in the mark. And then, we're gonna connect here the half inch. Okay, so this will be the finished product again. Next, okay. So, ito na ang ating bolster pillowcases. Okay. Gawa na po tayo ng bolster pillowcase. So, ito pwede nyo pong ibenta ito ng 65 pesos or 60. Depende po sa market. Kung sa mga e-commerce naman, okay. This will be the garter. Okay. Garter through bolster pillowcase. So, pwede nyo po ibenta ito ng 60 pesos or 65 pesos. Depende po sa market nyo. Kasi ako, binibenta ko po ito ng buy one take one, 130 pesos. Okay? So, ito na po ang ating bolster pillowcase. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and if you are new to my channel, please like, share, comments, and subscribe. At para po sa ibang mga video natin ay panood po kayo sa susunod. So, every week po ay gumagawa po tayo ng video. Kaya, i-like, share, and subscribe niyo po ang aking channel para sa ibang mga karagdagang video. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye!